How to make mango coconut sweet.
Firstly, we will dry roast the grated coconut.
Now we will roast the dry fruits.
Now we will put desiccated mango puree with condensed milk in the pan.
Now we will roast the mango puree until it gets thick.
Now we will put the roasted coconut in the puree and mix it well.
Now we will put the cardamom powder and dry fruits in the mixture.
Now we will grease the utensil with ghee and put the mixture on it.
And lastly, we will make laddoos from it.
See? It's so soft.